small accessories come. Hi guys, welcome back. Say hi. Welcome back to a new vlog. We're starting this vlog off in Uxbridge High Street. I think we've been taking you out to Uxbridge too often. It's like I don't be going anywhere else. We need to start going other places, man. Anyhow, yeah. Today we didn't have anything much, nothing planned actually. So just decided to take the boys out for a walk, and that's what we're doing. Now it's probably after 4, yes, 10 minutes after 4 in the afternoon. And what are we gonna do? How am I going to get some Starbucks drinks? My son wants McDonald's. Do some window shopping in H&M, Primark, TK Maxx, and wherever else. Not sure if we're gonna buy anything, but yeah, that's the plan for this afternoon. And nothing else, and wear your jacket. Yeah, the outfit. Look cute. Color cute. Yeah. Anyhow, so today is what is today? Today is Saturday, and I'm working on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So I don't think I'll be doing any vlogging there then. So our shifts are not easy, so I won't be having any time to do any vlogs. Yes. So I promise you guys I'm going to take you guys somewhere. I promise that I'm going to take you guys somewhere else besides Uxbridge. I'm always in Uxbridge or Wimberley, but I don't really go out that much anymore, especially with kids. That's the problem. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys around a little bit more, quite around London, because London is very big. So yeah, where are we going right now though? Are you gonna go try Chipotle today? Yeah. Add it to the list of things we're doing today. So, yes, this is Uxbridge today. It's quite busy, and yeah, it's Saturday, so that's always Saturday. Oh, I don't know.
What are they getting? What am I going to do? I'm going to have to give the down.
McDonald's, because he wants a burger and a toy. Oh, and it's crowded. Very, very crowded. Come, Kaden. It's just the Happy Meal for him. And then, yeah, we're not staying. A Happy Meal. So I got him a cheeseburgers with a toy and fries. What drink do you want? Which juice do you want? Which one? Which one of the drink do you want? Hidden, which drink do you want? Which one? Which drink do you want? That one? Alright. Done. Hidden cup. Alright, let's see what H&M has. Not much. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Square dress. Pick it up. This is nice. It's nice. What I don't like about these things, when you wash them, it gets all clumpy. I don't know. Here is he. The fall colors. I think we gotta go because his hand is gonna get too busy and I'm hungry. And H&M has the same old stuff. Not really. I like this though. Nice. Jacket. Kaden, come this way, please. Feels so nice. this is oh, this child of mine. Come get him. It's cute short skirt. Okay then. Come. Alright, just came out of H&M. My son wants a donut, so let's get him one. Okay then, pick one. Which one do you want? Which one? 2 iced pumpkin spice latte with foam. One of the pumpkin shaped chocolate brownie.
Do you want 2 ice pumpkin spice?
Yes.
Latte.
Yeah, with cream.
With cream. Yeah.
Both of them with cream. Usually you want cream? Yeah. One of the pumpkin shaped, chocolate brownie, and one of the pumpkin spice cookie.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah, chocolate chip.
Halloween already, eh?
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, so we just came out of Starbucks. I got my pumpkin spice latte. For some reason it doesn't taste as good as the first one I had. A different person made it, so probably that's the reason. Yeah, so here it is. We're now going to go to Kaden, come. Yeah, we're now going to Chipotle. We're going to Chipotle, then TK Maxx. We're going to Chipotle, get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to TK Maxx. We're gonna eat right there. No, Kaden, no, you cannot drink that. Yes, now we're going to Chipotle. They have chicken there for it, yeah. Gonna try something here. See how it is. Go make our order.
Beans for black?
Beans?
You want beans? Beans or black?
Black. Pardon? Beef? Yeah. Can I get beef and chicken? Yeah, half. So a little bit of rice though. I'm a rice girly. A little bit of rice. Melt, please. Yeah? Just a little. Yeah. Some corn, definitely, yeah. Definitely. Cheese. The guacamole. No lettuce, please. Yeah. We'll be looking so little.
Any chips and drink something?
Huh?
Any chips and drink something?
No, thank you.
Chips like this? No?
That's it.
So just Baba Koa bowl, add guac, that's
Yes, so this is what we're having here. Some guacamole, chicken, beef, white rice, corn, cheese. Yeah. And this is our view. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, my hair is a mess. My son is gonna start screaming at me again. Yeah. Kaden! turn it properly so you can see. You want to see? Carrie, look, Kaden. Kaden, you gotta drive the truck. There you go. Oh, drinking that cold thing did not help. I'm cold. Ooh. That's mine. Where is he? Not even driving. I have to pull the jacket out because it's cold. It don't look bad because the red, the S, the burgundy mixed with the black. Yeah, I have to get the jacket out because it's getting cold. Oh, so from here we so M&S with the Christmas decor. Oh. M&S is like, girl, we got you. They're Christmas ready. These are so cute. What's this? It's a star. Kaden, no, don't touch. Leave it, Kaden. Little ballerina in the ball. One of the stroller can fit you here, but this. Oh, where? I'm just trying to fit right now. Oh, can we? We can fit. Handle with pine cone, lemon, and all the other good stuffs in there. I think this is really nice. It smells good too. Can I put it back, please? Yeah. Yes, M&S. Light up candles. What's that? Candles?
So you can't
Light
take
up
it off.
candles. So my son just broke one of the Christmas decoration, one of the snow globe. So we just came out. I was gonna pay for it, but he said it's fine, and I know it wasn't fine. He said it's okay. I insisted, but he said no. So, hi guys. Hello. So we're home. Tired, undressed, tidy up, and I have to cook. Now it's 7 o'clock, 1 minute to 7, 1 minute to 7, and I have to cook. I haven't cooked anything, so I'm gonna go and cook now. Tidy up, go and cook, and then prepare for bed. And guys, this pumpkin spice cookie from Starbucks, absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. Recommend. It has, look like it has cherry and pistachio in it, and it smells like one of the candles that I bought, the pumpkin spice candles. It's like really chewy. 10 out of 10. I mean, sir. 10 out of 10. Recommend to a friend. I thought I had my sugar limit for the night, but for the day I should say, but this is good. And I'm not even a pistachio nut fan, but the flavors combination here, 10 out of 10. This is how good it is. This is a 30-inch here that I got from I bought from AliExpress. A 30-inch bang wig. 30-inch bang wig. I think it was £49, and the shipping and everything came up to £59, which was very cheap for me. It's not that thick, but it's good. Still need to fix the bang a bit. I think it's okay though. I like it. Oh,
It's okay.
it's very lightweight. It's smooth and silky. Little to no shedding. Little to no shedding. But it's not from lace, it's just not a lace. I don't think it's lace. But this is what it looks like out of the box. Just think the bang needs fixing a bit. But we can get that fixed. That ain't gonna be no big issue. So yeah. I'll ignore the belly. Yeah. What do you guys think? Yeah. I look pretty. Don't I look pretty? Don't like I look pretty? Cause I'm a girl with wearing banglies now. All I did was I had to cut a little piece more here so we can go all around to the side. Okay. My son. Yeah. And I straightened the bangs and just clip it a bit. I wanted to have a more natural look, but I think it still needs a bit more work.
So hi guys, this is a meal prep box that I ordered from Costco. I think that's the way it's pronounced, I'm not sure. It's a meal prep box that one of my friends put me on to. Shout out to you, girl Peaches. And she also gave me a 70% discount code, which was very great. I think I got everything. I got 5 meals. 5 meals. All the recipes for 5 meals for about 22 pounds 19 pence. I think the original price was 59 pounds. So Costco is a UK base. I think, let me just check and see. I think it's UK base. Yes, it's a UK based recipe box company that delivers fresh ingredients and recipes to help people cook healthy meals at home. That's what I got from the internet, and yes, it is. As you can see, this is all the ingredients that came. As you can see, you guys can see that it's a lot of stuff in there. I think it has a variety of recipes, over 75 recipes, I think. And as a Guyanese right now in the UK, especially in London, finding things to cook is very difficult, especially things that like really taste good. I really miss my food back home, but all the ingredients come with the, like, in different portions, I should say, depending on what you select or how many people that you plan on cook for. So each recipe that I got here, I selected to cook for 3 people, so each recipe came with portions for 3 people, which is good. So I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know how it is. Yeah, and all the instructions to cook the meals comes in the box also. Yes guys, so what I forgot to say is that the delivery is free. Yeah, you got free delivery, and you have to download the app and subscribe. You get to subscribe. You have to get a subscription that you can cancel at any time, which is really good. As you can see, this is the meat section. And yeah. This is the ingredients for the punchy peri. Yeah, so this is the ingredients for the punchy
peri peri chicken with the buttery rice and peas, and this is the ingredients for 3 people. So this looks like a little bit, but let's see. Let's trust the process. The thing tastes like apple cider vinegar. Give me a whole cup. I drink it on an empty stomach. Oh my god. So guys, this is my second dish that I tried from Costo. I really hope I'm pronouncing it right. So guys, this is the second meal that I'm trying from Costo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I don't know why my chicken color is different, because I use everything that they sent me, and I don't understand why the chicken is dark. Their chicken is dark. Oh, the chicken darker than my own. So yeah, this is it. So this is the chicken teriyaki with white rice and peas. I haven't tasted it as yet, but I hope it's good because it has ginger, uncooked ginger. So, and I didn't put as much spring onion as theirs because I don't like spring onion that much. Fresh spring onion especially, that'll be cooked. So I'll try to let you guys know what it's like. I didn't record. See.
Oh. I'm still gonna need you to get that.
My mom. No. Chicken teriyaki. This is good. Hi guys, welcome back. I have to stoop down because I already positioned the camera to do what I'm about to do. Ignore the bang, I need to fix the bang, but this is my favorite wig at the moment. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is a try on haul. I got a date night coming up on Monday. Excited. So I have 3 dresses I bought from, well, 2 I bought from, all 3 of them are from PLT, but I bought 2 on the one is my sister, but she gave it to me because it couldn't fit her. So I'll be trying them on. Let's see which one I'll be wearing on Monday. Yes, so so this robe, cute little robe, is a robe I got custom made from one of my colleagues at work when we had Secret Santa, and I'm obsessed. Shout out to you, girl Bola. Thank you. I love it. She said she loves making customized things for her. The lighting is okay for you guys. So this is the first one. Already a no-no because of this, unless I can wear it like this, but my boobs are too. See these girls? I don't think so. It's alright though. I think it might be too much. And it's too loose. It's going to go to the elbows. If it was like just... My butt looks small. This one is a no-no because this is not what the strap look like on the model. At no point the strap. Sad. I'm very sad. Oh, the fat is so fat. You know, this was supposed to be the second dress, but I'm gonna show you. A lot of room. It could fit. There's a lot of room for it to fit, but the boobs are too big, so the boobs spoil the look. Not spoil the look, spoil the zip. But it would have been a cute piece though, especially with this here. I think this would have been a really cute piece. I think this one is it though. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it. The white, the cream one is definitely no. The cream I didn't realize it has like so much floral flowers on it. Yeah, details on it. But this one is, I think this is gonna be the one. Yes, so this is the color. This should keep me warm. I'm so sad about this one though. BLT. I'm not that big. I'm really not that big. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, it's 20 minutes to 7. I'm on my way to work. I don't feel tired today though. It's Sunday. I don't feel tired today at all. I feel energized. And yeah, so I'm on my way to work. And oh, I did not feel like getting up this morning, but after showering and everything, I am fine. So just gotta get up and go do what you have to do, because the money gotta make. So tomorrow I have to take night, and yeah, I don't think I'll be vlogging much today. Well, it's work 12-hour shift, won't be able to vlog anything. So here you are, to see the road. I'm the only one here. Nobody else is going to work. Baby, what is going on? Oh, it's Sunday, but still, should be more people here. Probably people at this train station. So yeah, just wanted to come in here and see. When you don't feel like it, just get up, put on your clothes, take a shower. It's gonna make you feel better. Put on your clothes and go out. Even on the cold days. It's not even cold, that cold as yet, because we're still having double digits. So I think now it's single digit, but not at 1 and 2 degrees, so we're okay. We're managing. Yes. Okay. So much people on the train today. Yes, I'm finally at work. I was reading the morning motivational quote, and it was saying that the way you start your day can affect your entire day. Yeah, the way you start your day can affect your whole day. So I'm starting this day off with a very positive attitude. Now it's 7:46. I need to go. They're going to start the allocations now. So let's see how the shift goes. I'll see you guys in 12 hours. See you guys in 12 hours. Let's see how the shift goes. One thing I always do though, every time I start my shift or before a shift, I always pray. I never pray to get a easy pay or easy patients to work with. I always pray for good staff, like supportive staff, members, like staff, colleagues to work with. Yeah, supportive colleagues to work with, because I think once you have supportive colleagues to work with, no matter how bad the shift is or hectic or horrible the shift is or heavy it is, as long as you have supportive staff that hardworking supportive staff, which in most of my colleagues that I work with are very supportive and hardworking. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not gonna complain about that, which I'm very grateful for, because the ward I work at can be very heavy ward at times. So yeah, no matter what the workload is, it's okay. It's okay to deal with. So yeah, let's go. See you guys in 12 hours. So just checking in. I'm on my tea break. So far it's been okay. Nice what time? 10:46. So far it's been okay. I have 2 unwell patients, but they're not busy unwell. They're unwell but stable enough at the moment. Yeah. So I'm on my tea break. I'm going to go and get me a drink from Starbucks. I think I'm going to get the vanilla latte. I'm going to get the healthy menu because I'm on diet. I think the healthy suggestion was to get this sugar-free vanilla syrup. So, not this vanilla syrup? Yeah, I think so. So, yeah. That's how it's going at the moment. It's like 8 degrees outside and I'm cold. We're at work. You see? Oh, yeah. Across the road. Yeah, vanilla latte is okay. Yeah.
Now, you try it, you just let us know if you need more. Me, no. If
If
you
I
need
need.
more vanilla, we can always put more vanilla.
Okay, then no problem.
Medium size?
Yeah, medium is okay.
Do you have a few left cards?
Oh, I don't. I have it, but I don't know
Oh,
it
yeah,
is.
that's fine. Can I take your name?
Samantha.
Samantha.
Yeah.
Anything else, please?
No, that's it. Oh, I'll take a chocolate coin. Yeah. So I got the vanilla latte. It's okay. So it's a bit strong on the coffee side. It's okay. That's the reason I got it, because I needed to pick me up. I needed that. Got a lot to do when I go home, because tomorrow I have a date night. And I have to think I go home and do my nails. Got a few more things, and by the time I get them, it's gonna be around 10:30 p.m. 10:30. So yeah. So this is just to get me through the day. So I'm not gonna be eating much. And yes. Yeah, vanilla latte. I think he said instead of 4 vanilla syrup pumps, he gave me 2, which is not the healthy option. The healthy option was supposed to be sugar-free vanilla. So this is okay though. Keep me warm and keep me active. Back into work. Get back here. Hi guys, well, let me just move this. Hi guys, it's date night and I'm back. Oh, yeah, this is the look. I didn't get to cut the hair, or I wanted to cut it, but I had the time. I'm very late at the moment. My son is crying for something. So this is a watch from, I think it was TK Maxx. Like I said, this is the fragrance of the night, my way, and this is the look. Look how cute, look fat, but it's not no problem. The hair is all combed up properly. Yes, so this is the look. This is the fit. I'm ready. This is the bag. Yeah, so this is it. This is the full look. No, this is the full look. What do you guys think? Yeah. This is the look. It's very cold outside, so I don't know how I'm gonna manage. So yeah. Up here. This is the full look, alright. How about this? What did you say the name of it?
Food. Some tissue.
Oh, I don't know what it's called. It's alright. So this is the buttery chicken, the something rice. I do not remember how to pronounce the rice. Oh, it is. It's good. Let's see what is this. What is it? Huh? I'm even gonna try. It's Indian food, guys. Really good. I don't even know what it's called. I can't remember, but this is really good. 9.5 out of 10. This is good. Loving it. Ready?
Ready now?
It was good. The second piece is good. Okay.
Oh, this is dessert. And it looks absolutely amazing.
We're supposed to be very tasty. We're supposed to know.
See about what?
We're supposed to be very tasty.
Right.
Yes, I just know.
This chocolate, this chocolate tastes like something I would imagine that Willy Wonka chocolate would taste like. That's why it was that expensive. It's expensive. It's chocolate fun. It's not expensive, but it's expensive. Chocolate fondue. Little bits of heaven. Stripe with the waffle.
No, this is take everything on. If your money, I came to this position. I will never stop you.
That's good. But today I still rate take back so many. That's you?
This one just right, like if you eat a lot, it's like beans. And it wants some little bit too rich. This one's perfect.
You gotta taste this. Ooh. Guys, I'm back home. Tired, full, tipsy. But I think that I'm gonna end the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.